the transshipment provision did actually change a little bit. So as long as, previous to this, the item had to have been shipped from either Mexico or Canada into the US, or somehow shipped from and imported into one of the three countries involved in NAFTA. Now with USMCA, there is a small transshipment provision, but it's very, very narrow. And really what it's designed to do is take advantage for a few different industries who utilize places like farther south, maybe into Latin America, maybe into the Caribbean to do, just because of how their supply chains work before they're finally imported. So a couple of notes here. It has to remain in customs control of the territory of the non-party, i.e. a country in Latin America, the Caribbean, something like that. And really the most important piece after making sure it remains in customs control is the only thing that can be done is unloading, reloading, separating from a bulk shipment, storing, maybe some labeling. So anything like that is okay to be done, but nothing, as you can really see there, that allows us to add any additional value, nothing that really allows us to do anything to those goods besides just move them as part of the normal flow of goods. So I want to bring that to your attention, as it is a slight change and something that's a little bit different, but something that I really don't anticipate a lot of people are going to be able to take advantage of.